This is Chef Josh with Electrolux Professional, and today we're going to look at using the MultiTimer on PremiumS and ProS ovens. So if you have a program on your oven and you set it up, let's just say we're doing 320 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes because that's what the default setting is. If you look at your timer here, if you click on that, there's a double clock option. This will bring you into the MultiTimer mode, and once you hit OK on that, your phase cooking cycle here on the left will change to timers. If you click on the timer, you can put in as many as you want. I don't think you'll be able to run out. And click on the button next to it. And from there, you can put in a name. So let's just say chicken. Hit OK, and then you can add a time. Make sure you look at whether it's on hour, minute, or minute seconds, because if you put in 3 minutes like this and it's on minute seconds, then next thing you know, you're going to only have 3 seconds of cook time. So make sure you check that. So once you're on minutes, you hit OK. Now it's going to cook for 5 minutes. You could save that if you press the save button, and that will add the chicken there. So next time you clicked on this, it would be in this little menu and you can just press chicken. Or you can copy it if it's already on here and you want to add another one. You can hit the copy button and it'll copy it. You can also use the timer mode. So we'll hit plus here and we'll type in pork. And now you can use a probe. Hit the probe and we can put in a temperature. So we want to cook the pork to 145. Now this will go in there and it'll keep track of the pork using the temperature probe instead. These timers, when you hit play on the oven will go into a preheat mode. Once the oven is preheated, then it will tell you to add all the items that you've already put on the timer. So once this finishes preheating here, it'll pop up and tell us to add our items. Watch, it's almost there. So we open it, we put in our items, and now they're telling you that they're cooking, and we'll see here in a second they'll pop up. It'll show us the items that are going to be done first, and it'll always show us the temperature probe. The probe is not hooked up obviously, so it's going to give us a strange showing there. Now if we add something, so let's say we add some salmon, we're going to cook that for 7 minutes. Now the salmon's flashing telling us we need to add it. So if we open the door, it tells us to add the salmon, close the door saying that we added the salmon, and now the timer on the salmon has started. Once one of these get done, it'll flash and let us know what item needs to be done. So if we stop the cooking process, if we want to save this MultiTimer program, we can come to the bottom, hit Save MultiTimer. It's going to ask us, do we want to save any of the things that we've added to the presets, those little timers? I'm going to say yes, and say overwrite anything that's different, and we'll call this just prep. We'll save that, and now you look here, it says prep, and if we go to the back in the programs, the prep menu there, it shows a little multi-clock so that you know it's a MultiTimer program. If you have any questions or you need further help, please contact your local rep or reach out to us at www.electroluxprofessional.com. Thank you.